Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character can step by step. I will write it in standard script, then following one word for each pronunciation and one sentence. Now, let's get started. Can. This is a polyphone. It's pronounced as can or can according to different context. As can, it means to see, to visit, consider. As can means to look after, take care of. Check the following examples. 观看 Two words. 看护 To nurse, to look after. For example, thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for watching my videos. 谢谢你们观看我的视频。谢谢你们观看我的视频。谢谢你们。观看我的视频。Thanks for watching my videos. 谢谢你们观看我的视频。This is my casual handwriting on can. Can. To see, to visit, to consider. Can, to look after, to take care of. 观看 to watch. 看护 to nurse, to look after. Thanks for watching my videos. 谢谢你们观看我的视频。看。Please comment any words or sentence with the character can. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.